So I was wondering whether I was feeding my yard cat that tends to hang out here. And I just put some food out. And that ain't no cat.
Okay. And now, he's living with some skank in Little Rock with maroon hair.
Where are you living that you're coming and eating every day about this time? Huh, little booger? Where are you living that you're coming out to my house at 4 o'clock in the afternoon? Suki, come here. Come here, Zook. Look, what's that? Look, what is that? Suki, what is that? What is that? Yeah, what are you doing? Huh? Sorry, buddy. Not putting any food out anymore for you. So you're going to have to go find your own dinner. Go on. Yeah, you better not be living under my bench, under my deck. Go on. Get out of here. Go on. Nope. Go on. Come on. Yeah, someone's been feeding you other than me. Someone's been purposely feeding you. Because you're too tame. Get. Yeah, you tell him. Go on. Get out of here. Not you, Zook.